Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine quartile ranges using Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My stikpetE add-in you can download from my GitHub account. Here's the link. Once you downloaded it, you can open Excel. Don't open the file with Excel, just open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, and then click on the Go button. Then browse and select the downloaded file, and that should give you all the additional functions I made that are available in that add-in. In this video, for the quartile ranges that include the interquartile range, the semi-interquartile range, and the mid quartile range, the stikpetE add-in gives you access to the ME quartile. Oh, that has to change. Quartile range. Function that has a few parameters, the data, and that's important here is not to select an entire column, so don't go like the entire column A, but really specify from A2 till A9, and also only vertical. The levels is, for example, if I have data like this, then I can specify what the categories were. So the advantage of using my function is it also works with non-numerical data. The measure is then which measure do you actually want to see, which range, the interquartile range, IQR, the semi-interquartile range, SIQR, or the mid-quartile range, sometimes actually referred to as mid-quartile, MQR. The method is a parameter that's used to determine how you want to calculate the quartiles. There are a lot of different ones. I have a full separate videos on how to determine quartiles. You can also just, it's optional because there's a predefined set. I think it's using CDF by default. Let's just show an example. So here I'm using the function ME quartile range. I specified the range, the numeric numbers that you saw in column A, and I'm using this one, the IQR. So I want to see the interquartile range. It returns a 2 rows by 3 columns area, showing you the value of the first quartile, the value of the third, and then the interquartile range, which is actually simply the difference between these two. For using the non-numerical data, same thing, but now I also specified here the levels that I've actually used, the coding for these. And here it's doing the semi-interquartile range, so this gives you a 1, which is actually the difference between these two, and then divided by 2. So if I change this to MQR, it simply gives me the mid-quartile or mid-quartile range, which is actually a measure of central tendency. So it can sometimes be used as an alternative for the median, and it's you add the two up, the two quartiles, and divide by 2. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.